Let's learn to read. This is the letter A. The letter A makes the A sound. Can you say A for me? A. Can you tell me what letter this is? A. Great. What's the sound of the letter A? A. Good job. Now, let's practice writing the letter A while making the A sound. Get ready with your pen and paper, or you can raise your right hand to write in the air. Let's write the letter A and say A at the same time. A, A, A. One more time. A, A, A. Let's talk about the A sound. If I say the word cat, does it have the A sound? Listen carefully. Cat. Cat. Does cat have the A sound? Yes. That's correct. Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the word?
In the middle.
We hear the A sound in the middle. Does apple have the A sound? Listen carefully. Apple. Apple.
Yes.
Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the word?
In the beginning.
That's correct. It's at the beginning of the word. Now, we are going to say some words with the A sound slowly. Ask. I'm going to say it slowly. Ask. Can you do it?
Ask.
Let's try the word bat. Can you say it slowly?
Bat.
Fantastic. Try the word sad.
Sad.
Great job. Say the word dad slowly.
Dad.
Now, here's your reading exercise homework. First, say the A sound while writing the letter A in the air. Then, say some words that has the A sound. Here's an example video. A, 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 A. Cat, cat. Bat, bat. Dad, dad. Apple, apple. See you again next time for our next reading exercises. For more learning to read lessons, like this video, click subscribe and hit the bell icon.